Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi. I welcome you to Virendra Dear channel. And here the campus where I am standing, you will find a wonderful infrastructure related to healthcare. This campus is GVK MRI, and here you will find multiple of activities going on. Another feather in the crown of this great activities to giving best facilities in emergency services and also caring the patients in various departments. We have created this beautiful infrastructure, GVK EMRI hospitals. Dear friends, this idea of starting GVK EMRI was really hatched long back by our Honorable Chairman Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. I am Dr. B.K. Chaudhary, and I have been a partner in his tennis court, GVK House, Banjara Hill Road number 1 for decades. And one morning, when I met him at the 5 o'clock, we start playing tennis in the floodlight. A lot of friends were participating. And when the set was over, then we were enjoying some cups of tea, and then I had an idea. The previous day, I had gone to Apollo hospitals for my master health checkup. So when I was there, I saw the great service rendered by that hospital. And so I thought, why not? The founding father of GVK Group of Industries, Honorable Manavratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, should also enter into that beautiful service where we are not only just giving some service, but we are giving lives. We take away all the sorrow, suffering, grief and pain and disease from the patients, and also we give new life. That was the starting point of idea in my mind. Nobody knew it. Nobody knew it. After 15 years, this has become reality. Dear friends, when this idea came to me and I shared with my Gurudev Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, he was silent for a moment. He smiled, he looked at me, and then he whispered, Virender, you know how difficult and challenging it is to set up some new infrastructure, new institutions and new callings and areas of rendering great service? I have done enough and I am contented. I have given enough of blood, toil, tears and sweat to see the GVK group of conglomerates to render great service to the humanity. Now let me play tennis with you and enjoy my life, and my people are going to look after everything very nicely, rendering great service, quality, quantity, and with a wonderful mental attitude to render great service. And then we forgot this. But this great man, he always respect the suggestions, the noble ideas, the lofty dreams, the visions and ideals and prophecy of his friends. He called me friends, but I treat him just like my godfather and mentor. Long years passed away, but that seed of thought was multiplying in his mind. His cells of brain were vibrant. He realized the idea I just shared with him to serve mankind, not only by giving different products, but by giving a healthy life, physical fitness, free from all diseases. So, dear friends, this is the story about the starting of the GVK hospitals. We have a lot of activities going on in GVK conglomerates, GVK hotels. So I wanted to add another feather in the crown, GVK hospitals. Nobody knew it. But you remember, I and my Gurudev Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, they only knew it, that how this idea, the seed of thought, was planted in his mind. And today, dear friends, it has become a reality. This GVK hospital is situated in Sikandrabad, Kompally, Medchal, and it is going to spray wings all over the country. Because whatever we have done, it is not only confined to one small region, but it is going to every nook and corner, every far and wide in this country, and maybe we can also go to different countries in the world to give this great service. And now my pleasure to let you see this great man, a visionary leader, a success philosopher and thinker, and a man who really loves mankind, and because of this only, this infrastructure has come. I will show you some of the wonderful things here. We have set up the lab, the different departments. Every department has been covered. Every department has been covered, and you can see this beautiful, depiction of our dreams, GVK MRI. And I appeal to the people of Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. We are going to give you the best service at very affordable price. We have to run the show. We are partners. We are giving the service and you are receiving the service. So both customers and suppliers combined together can make the dreams of our leader, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, come true. Once you are happy with our service, because we assure you, we can give you quantity of service, quality of service, and with full mental, the attitude. Attitude is to serve, to save life. And this will be catering to services in different disciplines. Multi-speciality you can see here. So this is a wonderful idea, dear friends, and you see, we are not alone in this venture. Already we are running GVK MRI for a long time, and we have association with the best hospitals in the world. You can see one example here, and you will be very happy to know. This is, the inauguration of GVK Vidya in India, which is also training the doctors and nurses, and this facility was inaugurated on 15th August 2015 at Stanford University School of Medicine. This is just one example. But we have not only allied with one hospital and one university in medical sciences, but so many hospitals all over the world. In India also, we have very close collaboration with a lot of great hospitals like Apollo and so many Kamani, etc., dear friends. And we are not alone here. The best doctors, the best people, you can see some of them have been only put, but much more to come. So we can assure you, dear friends, we are really going to start so many good things related to medical sciences. We have got GVK Bio, GVK EMRI, that is GVK Emergency Management Research Institute, and very soon, I assure you, dear friends, we are also going to have GVK Institutes of Medical Sciences at par with all India Institute of Medical Sciences, because we love people, we want to serve people, we want to give them best. So thank you, viewers. I thank you very much. Just be a part of our journey. We are ready to serve you. Come here, get your best treatment in any areas, in any callings. It will be given at a very affordable price with a great satisfaction. Thank you. We really love and respect our leader who is so great and so generous. Thank you very much.